Hello everyone, Johnny here. Today in this session, we will try to discuss about multiple ways to print an array elements. Let me take an array where a equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. For this, I should able to iterate some values. We can generally use an iterative statement, that is for loop. I am trying to take for where I equals to 0, I less than 10, it is a dot length I plus plus. In a previous session we have discussed about a dot length. It will try to return the length of an array. Here we are trying to print the array elements, that is array name is a of I. So it will try to return the list of array elements here. Let me check the output in the browser. Yes, we got all the 4 elements. So basically we have used a for loop where it is trying to iterate each and every element. So this is how we have done. For example, if I want to print the index values, if I want to print an index values, we can write at index I So we are trying to print the list of index values here. Let me write this snippet. At index 0 it is 10, at index 1 it is 20, at index 2 it is 30, and at index it is 40. So let me write some other value here, so it will be easy. Yes, at index 0 it is 10, 1 it is 20, 2 it is 30, and 3 it is 40. So we are trying to iterate the list of array elements here. Now if I want to write the same snippet, using array constructor, we can create an array using array literal or array constructor. Now we are trying to write the same snippet now. Let me put this in comments. Now we will write the same array using array constructor. Let me write where s is equals to, we are trying to use a new keyword here. In this I am trying to write s of 0 equals to like Ram, s of 1 equals to Rehana, and s of 2 equals to Akhil, and s of 3 equals to some Karthik. So we have taken 4 values here. We are trying to do the same logic using array constructor. If I want to print these elements, we can generally use a for loop as we have done in the previous code, where I equals to 0, I less than s dot length, which is trying to print the length of an element, and I plus plus. In this we can write console.log script, that is s of 0, that is s of I here. So it will try to print, if I write 0 it will try to print only the one element, so s of I. Let us check the output of the snippet. We got Ram, Rehana, Akhil, and Karthik. So we are trying to use the same array literal as well as array constructor. So we will come to know the difference between both of this, using array literal and using of array constructor. Now let me put this in comments. Let me put this everything in comments. So this is how we have done with the first part and second part. So let me put this in comments now. Now let us use other ways. Generally we can use a for loop to iterate the list of array elements. Apart from this, we can also use for in loop. For in loop is also used to iterate the list of array elements, that is the properties of an object, but it doesn't provide any reference of the values. So let me write the snippet now. I have taken some let colors equals to red, green, blue. So I have taken 3 elements here. Using for loop, how we can write? Let a in colors, so it will try to iterate the a value, like console.log of colors of A. So it will try to index all the array elements. Let me check the output of the snippet now. It has given red, green and blue. So here if you can see, it is trying to iterate the array values with array indexes. It means it is trying to consider colors of 0, colors of 1 and colors of 2. So this is how we can write in for loop, that is for in loop, sorry. Now we can write the same code using for each also. For each also is used to iterate the array objects. If you want to iterate the list of array elements, it will take a callback function for each and every array element. So let me write the snippet so that we can understand. I'm trying to take, let C equals to red, green, blue and yellow. So we have taken multiple colors in the form of array. The array name is C here. Now if I want to iterate this thing, we can write for each. For each will try to take two things. First one, it will try to consider it as a callback function with both index and value for all the array elements. So it will try to take a callback function with an index and a value. In this we are trying to iterate this console.log of A. So if you can see, C is an array name here. For each we are trying to take the function name and we are trying to iterate this thing. So now we need to close this curly braces parenthesis here. If we can see the same output, we will get red, green, blue and yellow. Red for the line number 38. Next thing, we can print the same array using for of, that is introduced in year 6, which is used to iterate all the array elements, objects, maps, all the collections. Let me write y equals to, let me take the same array, let me change this element names. So in this way I'm trying to take an array name as y and we are trying to use for of now. So I'm trying to write console.log of A. If we can see this snippet, we got red, green, blue, that is line number 43. So these are the multiple ways where we can print the array elements. Now you might get doubt like which one we need to prefer, for loop, for in loop, for each loop or for of loop. It is most preferred to use for of loop because it can be used to iterate all the objects, collections, maps, sets, and it is introduced in year 6. So this is how we can iterate the list of array elements. That is multiple ways to print all the array elements. Let us look into the presentation part. So we have discussed about printing an array literal elements as well as the constructor. Next one, we have discussed about for in loop, where it will try to iterate the array elements using indexes. Next one, for each loop, where it will accept a callback function and it will have two parameters, that is an index as well as a value. Next one is for of loop, which is introduced in year 6 and it can be used to iterate all the collections of objects, arrays, sets and everything. If you have any queries, you can just drop us a mail or comment below this video. Thank you.